Alright, so let's look at number 8 from chapter 11, section 1. And use the data shown in the accompanying table to test whether the population proportions differ at the alpha equals 0.10 level of significance by determining the null alternative hypothesis, the test statistic, the p-value, assume the samples are dependent and were obtained randomly. So, are dependent or obtained randomly. So, let P1 represent the portion of success for treatment A and P2 represent the portion of success for treatment B. So we're trying to see if they differ. So this would be a not equal to, because that's kind of the differ part. The test statistic. Well, I need to look at the data. And so here's my data. And we're looking at the successes. So if I'm looking at successes on this, and I am comparing two proportions, I know the number of successes for A, so this was A, would be the sum of these two. Those are the successes for treatment A. So I'd have to add together the 9326 and 456. And so number of successes is 9782. 9326 plus 456, 9782, out of the total number, because this is the total number of observations. So I need to add the 380 and the 29, which is 419. So this is my total number of observations. I think B was the successes for treatment B, which is the 9326 and 380, which if we add those together we get 9706, 9326 plus 380, so 9706. Number of observations are going to be the same. And so now this will let us figure out our test statistic and our p-value. So our test statistic is 2.57 and our p-value, oh, not correct. And not equal to. So it looks like I did some bad math. If I take the 9706, that was adding these numbers, and I add those numbers, which is 485, I get 10191. And then, so that means this should also be 1091. So let me go check that. I think I added 380 and 29 and said 419, and it should have been 409. So bad math on my part. Now when I compute, I get a test statistic of 260. So I was a little off. My p-value to 3 decimal places is 0.09. So that should help with number 8. And again, I think you also said there were some 13 and 14 that were similar.